Feel quietly, trying to silence me. Anxiety.
Anxiety. Anxiety. Anxiety. Oh, anxiety. Guys, you see this Doechii or Doechii, Doechii anxiety song. This song is busting my brain. It's busting my brain, guys. If you have heard this song, you know that the song is so good. The song is so good, guys. Even to the dance, but the dance will be so funky like that. Oh, actually, this dance came from, I think it's one of the Will Smith old shows. One of his old shows. I watched the video not quite long ago. One of his old shows. Man, my God, this dance is. With me, we're just walking inside the room, seeing. I think it's his sister or his friend. I don't know. Seeing star, listening to Doechii. I don't know if it's a song. I don't think it's Doechii though, but Doechii song just fits in. Let's say it's Doechii song. Anxiety, people watching me. Anxiety taking all of me. People watching me. It's my anxiety. Anxiety. So the guy is doing this move, and Will Smith at the back is doing this move also. Then Will Smith got carried away, does the move, turns to the other side, then starts his own move. His own. That is so sick, guys. As it also, enough for you to be able to do this. There's two styles for this challenge. There's the dance part of it, and the other part where you edit a video where you are watching yourself in the mirror, and you, the physical being, is doing something else. The mirror version of it is doing something else. See, that's one of the scary part. That's one part of it. Then the second part is the dance, which I'm going to do in this video. Probably if you want me to do the other one tutorial, the one of you in the mirror and your physical being watching each other doing different things, I'll do that video for you guys, how to do those videos. So comment down below if you want me to do those ones. Remember, subscribe to this channel if you like my content, if you like to see more of dance creation. Subscribe, guys, and I'll see you in this video. So the first step in doing Doechii anxiety dance is, let's say I listen to the music. People watching me. So first things first, go side, 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 side. Remember, don't forget, go side, side. So it's side, 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 side. Anxiety, people watching me. Anxiety taking out of me. Remember, you're listening to music, you're feeling the vibes. People watching. Then the next thing to do is, once you hear, it's my anxiety, you walk with this leg. So this is your right leg. So your leg, I think your left leg is propelling your right leg up. So it's my anxiety. I think, guys. So it's my anxiety. Anxiety. Oh, anxiety. I think, guys. So it's anxiety. Anxiety. I think. So it's 1, 2. 1, 2. Now, once you are doing this step, you just feel carried away, like Will Smith does in that short clip. You feel carried away. It's my anxiety. Anxiety. Then you face the other side. Your right leg, stretch it to the end. Jump. So that band, stretch it back. Go. So it's 1, 2. While your body is in like you want to fall. 1, 2. Like there's no bones, but like it's flexible. Flexible your body, like make your body like a rubber band. It's my anxiety. Anxiety. Oh, anxiety. I think, guys, remember, I'm just following what I saw on the little show and the short clip from that Wesley's show. So let's do it from the start once more. 5, 6, 7, 8. Anxiety taking over me. Anxiety taking all of me. My father washing me. It's my anxiety. Anxiety. Oh, anxiety. Anxiety. Oh, anxiety. Are you saying, guys? Oh. I'm just like I want to fall, guys. Come on, the challenge. So that's how you do the challenge, guys. Remember, feel free. Don't be stiff. Don't harden your body. Loosen up. Loosen up. Loosen up. Loosen up, guys. Let's do this one more time. I think it's fun to do it. So just like you're walking into the room. Look like 1, 2, 3, go. Anxiety. Remember your headsets are on. Your headsets are on. So it's anxiety. People watching me. Anxiety taking out of me. And people me. Anxiety. Anxiety. Oh, anxiety. Anxiety. That's tutorial, guys. Remember, subscribe down below. In case you've not seen that short clip, just drop it in the comment section. I'll put that short clip link somewhere, probably in my description, for you guys to watch it. Then comment if you find this dance easy or hard, so that I can make it easier. Whatever step you find difficult, comment down below. Click on the notification bell and watch these 2 videos over here. Watch these 2 videos over here for you to learn more dance step. I think I'll be doing Kendrick Lamar's own, not like us, probably. They're not like us, they're not like us, say oh, say oh. If I'm doing that dance tutorial, just comment down below too, for me to know. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.